Hey folks, Silas here from Trade Trading. Welcome back to the channel. Today we found an awesome opportunity in Noble Corporation NE. What is that opportunity? We found what's called a cluster buy. What is a cluster buy? Well, that's very simply when two or more insiders of a corporation have participated in buying the company's stock. Now, keep this in mind. They're only buying for one reason, because they think the price is going to go up. And two of our favorite insiders that we love to track are one, the CEO, and two, the CFO. So let's dive right into Elite Insider and see what the data is telling us. So this is an oil and gas stock, and we also know that oil and energy stocks around this time of the year have historically found a bottom as we gear up into the driving summer season. So this is of particular interest, especially on a market or stock that's been beaten down. We now see the EVP, or Executive Vice President and CFO, the guy that controls the books, and the CEO and President, the guy that likely knows more than anything about the company, coming in with two six-figure purchases. We can see the CEO and President here picking up $350,000 worth of shares, and then the CFO coming in with $223,000 worth of shares. And as we see here, these guys are coming in when the stock has been beaten down. And this is the first time insiders have come in to buy since November of 2024. Coming in with $300,000 worth of shares shows high conviction on the stock. Now, aside from high conviction insider buying, our software trade insider, as you see here, is also showing the seasonal expectations for this stock through the remainder of the year. If we look here in green, this is the price year to date here in green, heavily sold off. But one thing that we may notice here is that this stock historically finds a bottom around late February, early March, and tends to drive higher into the rest of the year. Therefore, this is lining up perfectly with insider buying and a possible cycle low or seasonal low for this stock. Let's pull up Noble's chart here and do some quick technical analysis. What I like to do is go to a higher time frame. We'll go to a weekly chart, and we want to locate areas of institutional buying, institutional demand, where prices have been perceived as value going back in time. So what we could do is take the rectangle tool out, and you'll notice that prices are driving down into an area where prices have reacted in the past. So smart money, i.e. institutional players, are finding value here, and here we are back again around the $27, $28, $29 area. We can take a simple Fibonacci tool as well and go from this anchor low to this anchor high, drawing it like so. And you can see that we're also down here into a 786 retracement. So this is what we call all of the stars starting to align. We have insider buying by not just one, but two core insiders of the company. We are coming into a historical cycle low, i.e. where this stock has bottomed out in the past. And we're also now approaching a favorable technical point here on the charts in terms of price. So the play here is very simple. Once we reach and obtain technical confirmation to get long, we can buy the stock, we can buy call options or call debit spreads, or we could establish what's called a bull put spread, selling puts out of the money, and get paid if the stock goes up, sideways, or even down. We still make money on the trade. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe and like button. I'll see you on the next update.